Has your prop firm challenges?
Prop firms.
All prop firms got
prop firms with prop firms. Prop firm challenges.
Have you ever watched a prop home account bleed thinking it's over? What if I told you it's not? I'm about to show you how to flip almost failed accounts into funded ones. That too, step by step. So welcome to the prop firm flip challenge, where I'll take a near blown prop firm account and recover them using real strategies, no gamble. You'll see everything: entries, exits, risk management, and the mistakes that I make so that you do not and learn from them. Most traders fail due to poor risk management and emotional trading. But failure isn't final, it's a lesson. And in this challenge, I'll show you how to recover accounts that otherwise you'll blow anyway. In this challenge, I'll take a nearly blown account and trade it back to life using price action, SMT concepts, and risk control. No guesswork, just solid execution. How to join this challenge? Got an account on the edge? Drop a comment in the comment section below. And for real time updates, join my Discord and Telegram community. And if you're serious about trading, subscribe, hit notifications, and get ready. We're about to flip something impossible. So smash that like button, comment your go-to recovery strategy, and share this with other traders as well who need hope. Let's make this the most insane trading challenge on YouTube.